If you are planning to buy your first camera for taking pictures and creating amazing videos, and if you are a blogger, this video presentation is for you. So I have here this Nikon camera. It's a crop sensor camera. This is one of the latest Gadget mirrorless camera from Nikon. This is the first crop sensor camera. So if you are buying this as a kit, then the camera itself comes with this lens, this kit lens. The kit lens itself is has a focal length of 16 to 50 millimeter, which is substantial for most photography and videography applications. So you can use this for taking headshot photos, and you can also use this for when you're in a small space in a room, and you can also use this for landscape photography. So pretty much this is good enough for general photography and for also creating amazing videos. So you can use this 50 millimeter for headshot, and if you want to take a landscape, you can use this 16 millimeter focal length. So this is what comes with the body of the when you buy the kit package. So going to this camera body, you can see this is made of high quality exterior covers. It's not the cheap plastic. This is high quality. All around here you can see there's a decent amount of weather sealing here. So all this port over here was covered with this rubber. So the port for the mic or the headset is here, covered, fully covered, in the port for the HDMI in this USB is fully covered. And around here at the bottom, this is the standard 1/4-inch threaded slot for the tripod. And this one, you can see this is the battery compartment. So in the battery compartment, it also includes the compartment for this single slot micro SD memory slot. Looking around here, so it's very nice, very well made small camera. So this is very small compared with the full frame version of the camera, and it's very light, very small, very compact. We have this tilting screen, which you can adjust it like this. You can adjust it like that, and you can even tilt it all the way down like this, tilt down. So you can use this as when you want to take a selfie of yourself, especially when you are holding it with your hand. But the thing is, when you are using a tripod, this gets on the way. The tripod gets on the way. You cannot use this when you are using a tripod. But there's a small rig company that is selling some kind of attachment for this Z50. So there's an attachment here that allows you to, and then that allows you to use a tripod. So what happens is the attachment will stay over here at the bottom, and then you can attach the tripod. So the tripod is holding it like this, so you can still use the whole screen of the flip screen. Looking at this side, you will see this standard functionality buttons here. All these menus, these garbage buttons, all these replay buttons, and this information button. We have this standard toggle switch here, up and down selector, and this OK buttons for entering, and you have of course this selector here for your other functionalities. You have this EEL and EFL functionality, and this is adjustment for your diaphragm, for your eyepiece. You have this picture and video mode selector, and this functionality selector over here is pretty good because you don't need to press any button before you can select it. So this one you can just do it like this, select it's automatic, manual, or whatever you want. You have this record button here if you want to record a video, and this ISO button here if you want to adjust the ISO, and we have this plus and minus button here. We have this standard off and on switch, and going here you have this functionality buttons here, so you can program whatever you want in here. This if one function 1 in function 2, that's programmable. In here we have this lens release button, so if you want to release the lens, you can just press this and then twist in a clockwise position to release the lens. So opening these caps here, it's going to reveal this main engine of the camera, which is the sensor. So make sure that you're not going to touch the sensor with your hand, because it will be smudged with fingerprints, and you don't want to do that because it might affect the quality of the picture in video that you're going to create. So this is the Z mount, the new Z mount of Nikon. Over the years, Nikon have been producing cameras with the F mount, which is smaller than this, and then after some time they decided to create this bigger Z mount. That's why this camera was called Z, because of the mount size. And then as you can see, there's a brass and copper connector here that is going to be connected to your lens. This is for to complete the electronic circuit connections with your lens. So this has a nice, very substantial weather sealing protection and then it has also a flash mechanism here. So this camera is a complete package. You have this flash mechanism over here. The problem here is because of the provided this flash option, there's a chance that this is exposed with water, especially when you are using this in the rain or outside. So when you're using it outside and very bad weather, make sure that this part is not exposed to protect your camera from water seepage. Now we are going to connect the lens. So as you can see, there's another set of connectors here, which will go on in contact with this connector and camera body. So the way to attach this lens is to make sure that these white nuts here and the white nuts in the lens is fully aligned. Do it like this, and then carefully turn it counterclockwise until you hear this click. The click is going to ensure that all the connectors are fully aligned. Otherwise, your lens is not going to work. So right now, it is still in the lock mode position, the lens. You need to unlock it before you can use it. So there you go. Now it's unlocked. And then we can just use our, we just need to put the battery. There you go. Now it's ready to use. Take our first picture. There you go. And if you want to take a video, and then press this record button, now we're already recording. So we have a push button here. It allows us to select which what will be the, let's see, if we press this one, what happens is the priority will be your eyepiece. But if you press this one, another one, it's going to select whether you want to monitor in your screen. So that's the cool thing about this. So I've been using this camera for quite a while for creating amazing videos and also taking some sharp pictures. For my application as a blogger, this is perfect for me. I've taken lots of most of the amazing videos that I've created lately was taken by this camera. So cost wise, I believe this camera is pretty much cost effective in such a way that it's not too expensive, and it's the quality of the video and pictures that you can produce from this camera is really amazing. So if you are planning to buy a camera for general photography or for creating amazing videos for your blogging, this is a nice camera to consider. So that's about it for this brief review. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified with more amazing videos and tutorial that I will be uploading in the coming days about general photography, camera and computers.